What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Jeep Compass remote key fob. This Jeep Compass key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab my key fob and remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this release on the back of the fob that my thumb's on, and the emergency key will pull out like that. Now if we take a look at the bottom of the key fob, this is the slot that key just slid out of. Then just below that we see this other kind of slot or little notch right here. What I'm going to do is take my key, put it in that little notch, and then while keeping some pressure pushing in, I'm just going to twist it like I'm opening a lock. And then once it's started, I'm just going to kind of take my key and just carefully kind of work around and pry up like that. Now, if you find that a little difficult to open that with the key, you can also use a flathead screwdriver in the same manner, which I find to be a little bit easier. Just put your screwdriver in that little notch and then twist. Either way, once we get it open far enough, we can pull it the rest of the way apart like that. And in the back half of the case, we see our battery right here. And for this part, I'm going to grab a small screwdriver, or even something with a point on it will work. Just needs to get under the edge of the battery right here and help get it out of that holder. Then I'm going to grab my new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing your new battery with the plus side down, positive side down. And I'm going to tuck this edge in first by that metal battery clip. So tuck this edge in first like that, and then snap the battery down into place. Then we can snap the two halves back together. And that can take a little bit of pressure, as you just saw. Slide our emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.